Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub, where we break down the most thrilling motorcycles on the planet. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Yamaha VMAX 1700cc V4, a bike that continues to define the power cruiser segment with its legendary performance and aggressive design. Yamaha has kept the VMAX alive with its raw power, muscular aesthetics, and unique character, but is it still the king of power cruisers in 2025? Let's find out. Engine performance. At the heart of the 2025 Yamaha VMAX is the monstrous 679cc, liquid-cooled, DOHC, 65°4 engine. Yamaha has fine-tuned this beast to deliver an earth-shaking 200 horsepower at 9,000 rip and a torque output of 123 lb-ft at 6,500 rem. The bike's power delivery remains relentless, offering brutal acceleration that few motorcycles can match. Yamaha has integrated their latest electronic fuel injection system with ride-by-wire technology, ensuring precise throttle response. The bike's updated ECU mapping also provides smoother power delivery while maintaining the VMAX signature explosiveness. Whether you're launching from a standstill or rolling on the throttle at highway speeds, the 2025 VMAX delivers a surge of torque that pins you to the seat. For riders who want even more control over this power, Yamaha has included selectable ride modes, traction control, and a launch control system. The advanced traction control ensures that you can put all that power to the pavement without unnecessary wheel spin, making this beast more manageable in various riding conditions. The 2025 VMAX is equipped with a 5-speed transmission, which might seem outdated in an era where some bikes boast 6 or even 7-speed gearboxes. However, Yamaha has engineered the gearbox for optimal power delivery, and thanks to the bike's immense torque, a 6th gear is simply unnecessary. The slipper clutch ensures smoother downshifts, reducing engine braking and enhancing cornering stability. Handling-wise, the VMAX continues to surprise riders. While it may look like a heavyweight bruiser, it's surprisingly agile for its size. The aluminum frame provides rigidity while keeping the weight manageable at 683 lbs wet. The updated 52mm fully adjustable forks and a fully adjustable rear shock deliver a refined balance between comfort and sporty handling. One of the biggest updates for 2025 is the new semi-active suspension system, which adapts to riding conditions in real time. This ensures better ride quality and improved feedback when carving through twisty roads. Yamaha has also slightly tweaked the chassis geometry, improving high-speed stability and cornering dynamics. A bike this powerful demands a braking system that can handle its sheer force. Yamaha has outfitted the 2025 VMAX with 300mm wave rotors up front, clamped by radial mount, 6-piston Brembo calipers. The rear features a 298mm rotor with a dual-piston caliper. Yamaha's advanced ABS system works in conjunction with lean-angle sensitive traction control, ensuring maximum stopping power without compromising stability. With these braking improvements, the VMAX inspires more confidence when decelerating from high speeds, which is crucial given its ability to reach 0 to 60 mph in just under 2.7 seconds. The 2025 VMAX maintains its muscular and aggressive stance, but Yamaha has refined its styling to give it a more modern and premium feel. The sculpted fuel tank, aggressive air intakes, and short tail section give the bike a stance that exudes pure muscle. For this year, Yamaha has introduced new color options, including midnight black, deep crimson red, and a limited edition carbon shadow variant with carbon powder body panels. LED lighting is now standard across the bike, with a new adaptive LED headlight that adjusts based on lean angle to provide better nighttime visibility. The digital TFT display is a welcome upgrade, replacing the old LCD unit. The new high-resolution screen features customizable layouts, smartphone connectivity, and turn-by-turn navigation. Riders can also monitor real-time telemetry, including G-forces, lean angles, and power output data, making the riding experience even more immersive. Despite its aggressive looks, the VMAX is designed with rider comfort in mind. The low 30.5-inch seat height ensures accessibility for most riders, and the new sculpted seat offers better lumbar support for long rides. The handlebar position is slightly more upright, reducing strain on the wrists and making it more comfortable for highway cruising. Yamaha has also improved heat management by redesigning the exhaust routing and adding better insulation. The previous models were notorious for excessive heat near the rider's legs, but this issue has been significantly reduced in the 2025 model. A bike with a massive 1700cc V4 engine isn't built for fuel efficiency, but Yamaha has managed to improve its mileage slightly. Thanks to refined fuel injection mapping and better aerodynamics, the 2025 VMAX averages around 35 mpg riding conditions. With its 4-gallon fuel tank, this gives riders an approximate range of 140 miles before refueling. 2025 Yamaha VMAX is powered by a 679cc, liquid-cooled, DOHC, 65-degree V4 engine, delivering a staggering 200 horsepower at 9,000 rem and 123 lb-ft of torque at 6,500 rem. Yamaha has fine-tuned the fuel injection system and ECU mapping for smoother, more responsive power delivery. The ride-by-wire throttle ensures precise control, while selectable ride modes, traction control, and launch control help tame its explosive acceleration. Whether you're launching from a stop or overtaking at high speeds, the VMAX delivers relentless torque that keeps pulling hard all the way to redline. While this isn't ideal for long-distance touring, the VMAX was never meant to be a fuel-efficient bike. It's built for sheer exhilaration. Yamaha has embraced modern technology, equipping the 2025 VMAX with a suite of electronic rider aids. Alongside the ride modes and traction control, the bike features wheelie control, prevents excessive front wheel lift while maintaining aggressive acceleration. Quickshifter auto blipper enables clutchless upshifts and downshifts for smoother performance. Cruise control, a welcome addition for highway riders. Smart key system, keyless ignition for added convenience. Yamaha has also introduced a smartphone app that allows riders to customize ride modes, track trip data, and even locate their bike remotely using GPS. The 2025 Yamaha VMAX comes with a price tag of $21,999 for the standard model, while the limited edition Carbon Shadow variant is priced at $24,499. In terms of competition, the closest rivals are the Ducati Diavel V4 and the Triumph Rocket 3. While the Ducati offers a lighter, more nimble experience with cutting-edge technology, and the Rocket 3 boasts an even larger 500cc engine, neither can fully replicate the raw, old-school muscle bike feel of the VMAX. What makes the 2025 VMAX truly special? First and foremost, its unapologetic power. This bike isn't about subtlety, it's a full-throttle adrenaline machine. Its iconic 4-engine, drag bike-inspired design, and thunderous exhaust notes set it apart from anything else on the road. Additionally, Yamaha's decision to refine the chassis and introduce modern electronics makes it more approachable without compromising its beastly nature. If you want a power cruiser that commands respect, turns heads, and delivers an unmatched thrill every time you twist the throttle, the VMAX is still the king. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 Yamaha VMAX 1700cc V4. What do you think? Does this legendary muscle cruiser still hold its ground in today's motorcycle landscape? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Culture Hub for more detailed motorcycle reviews. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.